may mga tao na bang nakatulong sa'yo and how were you able to give back at tumanaw ng utang na loob?
Dati ang point of view ko, meron tinatawag na taong self-made.
Okay.
Where in fact, nung tumanda ako, na-realize ko, wala palang self-made.
How so?
It's because lahat tayo, even a stranger,
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan.
tinulungan ka makapunta kung nasan ka ngayon. Intindihan mo yung sinasabi
Yes.
ko? Parang, kasi tayo, we can easily say that this person is self-made. Diba?
Self-made billionaire, yeah.
But in reality, there was a stranger who helped you.
Yes.
Right? So, anyway, going back. So, ang tanong nyo sa akin is, kung ako ba may mga taong tumulong sa akin? Yes, meron. Am I grateful to them? Super grateful. And I try to return the favor. Maybe, kung hindi ko, kung kaya ko sobrahan pa, so sobrahan ko. And I still credit them until now, lahat ng tumulong sa akin. It's because naging part sila ng journey ko eh.
Yes.
Sabi nga ni Bri, even yung mga tao na nagkaroon ka ng, how would I say, heartaches, or let's say, disappointments. So I'm talking about, friends, relationship, business
Yes,
partners.
Yeah.
Nakatulong sila kung nasan ka.
Yeah.
So, am I grateful to them? I am grateful. Do I help them? Of course. Kung anong paraan na kaya ko, kung ano yung kailangan nila.
Yes.
But, may hangganan ang utang na loob.
Oh.
That is my opinion. Typical mentality ng mga tao wherein in the Philippines is that tanaw-tanaw tayo ng utang na loob all the time. Right? Which is tama naman. Pero, may hangganan yun eh. There's always a limit. Minsan, if you're helping someone na ikaw na mismo ang magsasuffer or hindi na siya ayon sa moral compass mo, for me, that's the time that you know na enough na. Parang yun yung opinion ko.
Yes.
Medyo iba yung opinion ko, no?
Kapag kapag nakakapahamak,
Yes.
kumbaga, kung darating sa point na may compromise na ng values.
Yes.
And it's important na marunong ka rin mag-no. Kasi kung puro yes, mauubos ka eh. So, napaka-importante na marunong ka rin mag-no.
Kasi parang feeling ko, if you have that utang na loob with someone na hindi mo lalagyan ng limit, parang forever in debt ka. For me, that's not how life should be.
Yes.
If yung favor na hiningi sa'yo is hindi na pasok sa moral compass mo.